Okay, this is for all you guys with four-wheel drives looking to bring your boat to Gnaraloo. Come down this little road and I'll just show you what they do. It's basically a bit of a slingshot action. But what they do is they back their boats up onto this little ridge you can just see up there to my left. Unhitch their trailers and when the boats come in, they attach a big sort of a winch cable and literally tow their boats onto the trailers over this little hill. I'll just show it to you in a sec. So this is where it all happens. So you can see what happens is the four-wheel drive positions itself probably about here, and we have a look over this little hill. Just leads down to the boat ramp area, and I wanted to show you this cool little boat here. Check that out. How cool is that? So there you go. So the boat comes in, put your trailer down there, put your boat on the trailer and tow it up that little hill, and that's it.